sering kali ya. Ini bahaya ini. Siapa yang masuk ke sini ya?
Bahaya! Bang! Yup! Sini bang, sini! Jerat tadi bang.
Ini bahaya ini.
Nampaknya kayak jerat harimau nih bang.
Coba lah.
Sumatra, a legendary island. A bountiful Eden once famed for its remarkable biodiversity. Home to the weird and the wonderful. A haven for the endangered pangolin, the elusive clouded leopard, and the most famous inhabitant of all, the majestic Sumatran tiger.
There's not many places like this left in the world. I find that incredibly exciting as a scientist and as a zoologist.
As decades of logging, relentless poaching, and slash-and-burn farming takes its toll across Indonesia.
Indonesia is the fourth largest country in the world, and the population pressure and the land pressure is always there.
The island is now the epicenter of a last-ditch defense of a rare, vital, and pristine wilderness. A battle that is finally turning, with some new and surprising allies joining the front lines. The very companies who once logged this landscape.
If my teams were to look the other direction, there would be more land claims occurring, fires occurring, illegal logging entering the area.
Can those who have profited from Sumatra's resources become the guardians of the forest for the future? This is Frontier Sumatra.